we're gonna learn how to tie the quick hitch. The quick hitch is the last progression of tying two ropes together. Still starts off by forming a bite in the original line. Taking your second line, instead of putting it through, we're gonna drape it over and bring it around on the left-hand side. And then we're gonna take a bite out of that and stick it through the original bite. Once we've got that done, we're going to carefully dress this so that the top part of the red line squishes the bite that we made, so that it is secure. And what that's gonna let us do is when this gets up to whoever is in the tree or wherever this is going, they're gonna be able to grab this end with the left hand and pull on this, and it's simply gonna come apart like so, which saves them the step of undoing it from the bite that we made. And that is how you tie the quick hitch.